Hello everyone, this is Wenting. I'm going to give a short talk on the Proc template styles tape to enhance the ODS RTF output for tables. First, I'll talk about some basic information about the Proc template procedure. Then I will go through in detail about the style definition in Proc template procedure with which we can customize our output. In the end, I will further show you the use of Proc template procedure in table output by my own example. The rich text format destination of SAS output delivery system makes it possible to produce output that can be incorporated almost seamlessly into word processors such as Microsoft Word. Here is a general example showing how to turn on the RTF destination and output your designated results to certain paths in your computer. Proc template is a procedure in SAS with which we could control over the appearance of our analytical results, such as font, colors, titles, and even the borders, cell size, and other aspects of the table output. All of these can be achieved by defining the style definition. Therefore, we have to have a deep understanding towards the style definition. The very basic unit of style definition is style attributes. A style attribute is a presentation feature. Style attributes determine the size, face, and weight of the type that is used, the color of the foreground and background, and other such features. A style element is a collection of style attributes and their values that can be applied to a particular part of the output. Finally, one or more of style elements form a style definition. A style element could be created within a style definition block by a style or replace or class statement. All of these three V's actually are very similar to each other, especially the style and class statement. In my example, I choose to use the class statement to define the style definition. Let me first give a brief introduction about this project. In this project, we're working on the data from a small-size clinical trial in which two groups with 9 patients in each was given either the anti-cancer drug or placebo. We need to make a table which includes the summary of two groups' demographic information, such as their gender, race, age, height, weight, and BMI. I used the Proc template procedure to control the appearance of the table output. I named this style definition as OutStyle. I first defined the position, font size, and color for the output of our title and footnote. Then I defined the column header. In addition to those for the table title and footnote, we need to specially set the background color if you don't want the default gray background color to be shown in the row of column header. Then it is my settings specifically for the desired format in the table shell for this demographic table. One thing I want to mention is the rows equals to groups option, which will place a divider between the header and the table area of the table. The data style is to control everything shown within the table. In the end, I specify the margins in all sizes in the body style. After defined all these styles, I set this style definition as the style for outputting my demographic table. This is the second page in the demographic table output, by which I just want to give you a great idea on how our style definition settings could control the appearance of the table output, because in the next page you will see how this table looks like before being defined by the Proc template style definition. This isn't kind of big surprise. So work hard to learn how to use Proc template style definition by at least looking into this two learning material. You will find a lot more good papers on Google. Thank you and a happy Chinese New Year.